Forever Resorts. It's more than a name. It's where the stories you'll tell when you're older begin, where memories are made and rest is restored. A place for the young, the growing, and those who are glowing in their golden years. Here you return to the favorite spot from your childhood, now watching your own kids discover its magic. It's where moments become memories kept safely for you to return to. Forever Resorts, it's more than a name. It's where memories live. Your forever starts now. Book today using our mobile app or visit our website. T's and C's apply.